If you are a woman living in Delhi and you travel by DTC or cluster buses, here's an important change that you need to know. From 1st August, the familiar pink paper ticket will no longer get you a free ride. Instead, you need a pink Saheli Smart Card. And this isn't just another travel card. The Delhi government says it can also function as a metro card, an NCMC mobility card, and in its full version, even a debit card for shopping and digital payments. For years, women traveling on Delhi's DTC and cluster buses have received a paper pink ticket that allowed them to travel free. That system is now ending. From 1st August, anyone who wants to continue availing of the free travel scheme must carry a valid pink Saheli Smart Card and tap it while boarding. Without the card, conductors will no longer issue free paper tickets and you'll have to buy a regular ticket. There is another important eligibility condition. The scheme is available only to women and transgender persons who are residents of Delhi. This means your Aadhaar must carry a Delhi address. Women from outside Delhi or the NCR are not eligible for free travel under this scheme. So what exactly is this new card? Well, the Pink Saheli Smart Card is built on the National Common Mobility Card or NCMC, the government's One Nation One Card platform. That means it can do much more than provide free bus travel. Depending on the version you choose, the same card can also be used on the Delhi Metro, Namo Bharat trains and at shops and merchants that accept NCMC payments. For these paid services, you'll first need to load money onto the card using your bank account or UPI. The government is issuing two versions. The first is the Zero KYC card. It can be issued quickly using Aadhaar and OTP verification and is primarily meant for accessing free bus travel. The second is the full KYC card. It works like a bank-issued debit card, allowing digital payments and purchases across the wider NCMC network. So how do you get this card? Well, you can apply online through the portal of DTC's authorized bank. You need an Aadhaar card with a Delhi address, a passport-size photograph and a basic personal detail. In some cases, a PAN card may also be required. Besides the online process, cards are also being issued at DTC depots, SDM offices and special enrollment camps across Delhi. Once verification is complete, the card is either issued on the spot or delivered to your home, depending on the application process. Using this card is pretty simple. Simply tap the card on the conductor's ticketing machine when you board a DTC or cluster bus. The journey is recorded digitally and your free travel benefit is applied automatically. If you want to use the same card for metro travel or shopping, you'll need to recharge it first. According to the Delhi government, the objective is to make the entire scheme digital, reduce paperwork, improve transparency and eliminate the need to print millions of paper tickets every month. The government is also introducing different colored cards for different categories of commuters. The pink card is for eligible women and transgender persons. The blue card is for general passengers and the orange card, which is yet to be rolled out, is meant for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. So what does all of this mean for commuters? If you are already using Delhi's free bus scheme, you shouldn't wait until 1st August to apply for the card. You can still apply after that date because there is no final deadline, but until your Pink Saheli Smart Card is issued and activated, you won't be eligible for free travel. If you already have the card, nothing changes. Just remember to tap it every time you board. And if you've opted for the full KYC version, you'll also have a single card that can be used for buses, metro travel and everyday digital payments. The Pink Saheli Smart Card is more than a replacement for a paper ticket. It is part of Delhi's attempt to bring public transport, digital identity and cashless payments onto a single platform. For eligible commuters, that could mean a simpler travel experience.